Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML entities, and right now we'll be discussing about some other entities supported by HTML. I'm going to personally show you some entities right here that can be useful for you in case you need it urgently. So like this arrow right here, I'm going to use it. Let's get back to our document. In our previous tutorial we discussed about all these are Greek letters. So I'm going to show you these are all their entities. As you can see, let me delete them and place this one. So let me reload our document. Can you see this arrow? Can be useful a lot. So in case you will need it in your document, you can use it. It's part of HTML entity. The leftward arrows, upward arrows, rightward arrow, downward arrows. So you can use them gently if you want. You can use them anytime. Just use them. So let me show you some of it also. You can use this, or you can use this also. Let me just copy this. So I just want to show you some of these stuffs that you can use uh, later in the future. I'm going to still show you how you can use them to perform some advanced stuffs. So that's why I'm showing you all this. I don't just show you things because if I didn't show you right now, when I'm using it in the future, you'll be asking why, how did I got this, how did I do this and that. I don't want such question to be happening in the future. That's why I'm trying to show you guys this right now, because we are coming from the beginners to the advanced level in on these HTML elements. So let me show you how all this looks in our document so you can see them clearly. Can you see? Just in case in the future I'm using all these symbols so you can know how I found this, how all these came up. So that's why I'm showing you all this. So they are all different entities, different symbols, and they are all from the HTML. In case you want to use them, they are useful. So I think I'll have to end this right here. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And don't you forget, practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks and to the next.